Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. Welcome to the part of aviation where things really get complicated. Let's go. This is 15 Delta, Aircraft Powertrain Repairer. You keep the spinning parts spinning, rotors, transmissions, drive shafts, and the magic that makes a helicopter not a paperweight. You'll rip apart gearboxes, align powertrain systems, inspect rotary hubs, and know exactly which part is rattling before anyone else hears it. You'll also manage hazardous materials, parts inventory, and maintenance checks. Because if one bolt goes missing, that's a long fall. Training includes basic, then 20+ weeks of AIT. You'll leave knowing how to tear down and rebuild the beating heart of any rotorcraft. This job's for detailed demons. If you like engines, mechanics, and the pressure of don't mess this up, you'll fit in fine. After the guard, aviation maintenance companies, aircraft manufacturers, federal gigs, they all want what you've learned. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down, many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.